Good morning, everybody. This is Josh over here, AZ4Runner Parts. I am currently working on my GoPro, which is what I first started out on YouTube doing. Lately, I've been doing a lot of live and YouTube shorts. So I figured I would do a little bit longer of a video today. Today, we are going to be digging into the V8 4x4 transmission. Which is the same for the 2003 to 2009 V8s. I had one that was previously out of a like a 03 or 04. They're exactly the same. But the part number on this is 35010-35A as an Apple 30. So I'll put a link of that. Not a link, but I'll put a little note of that in the comment section for you guys down below. I do want to just take you guys over to this transmission. I know that I have shown it to you guys before, but this is the crack that appeared. You can kind of get a better view of this since I'm using a lot better of a camera. But yeah, I mean, this crack is all the way around. So I have posted about this in the groups, and it does appear to have you know, a common issue with some other people. It's usually, from my understanding, caused by the drive shaft and the torque, or I'm not really exactly sure, but it seemed as everyone else had a drive shaft issue with it. So you can see that this crack comes all around the side, and it connects to the pan bolts from driver and passenger. So it's got the little VIN plate on there, but we are going to be putting this onto, I call this a wet table. I'm not sure if it has an actual name, but I got like a little spigot on the bottom with a hose for a bucket. And so these were fabricated specifically with the lip on all ends. I didn't want to have, you know, a lot of liquid have potentially being able to come down the front, even with an angle. If it just, for whatever reason, it gets clogged and, you know, just someone covers it. I mean, you just never know. Other people are going to be in here. It's not going to be something that I'm just using. So I had a 1-inch lip put on the entire thing. I do have the brand new transmission jack, so I'm going to use this to get this on the table, and then the goal is to kind of just take this apart and plan on using, you know, some of the parts on this to kind of help pay for what I've been actually putting into my truck. I did have to get a new flex plate. So new flex plate came in. I am still waiting on the flex plate triple square screws, bolts. And so I only have 2 out of the 8.